Television and top best story tweets for a tweet called Playtopia 2. It's a successor to the original Playtopia from 2016. It's a flowing music widget that you can access from anywhere, no matter what you're doing on your device. Raw. And it's a tweet to give extensions to CarPlay. It gives you extra extensions for your CarPlay. Customize CarPlay to your liking. You can also change the wallpaper as well and customize your status bar for CarPlay. Just go live do as prefs, support library for tweak preferences. Alright, next tweet is called XinaA, and simply a beautiful, adds beautiful neon lock screen and unlock button to your lock screen, placing any elements, and gives you 50 different widgets or elements for your wallpaper. Alright, next tweet is called Orion, and brings peek and pop back to devices at 3D Touch hardware on iOS 13. Boardy, and the tool allows you to seamlessly sync your clipboard with your PC. You can sync between PC and phone, copy an image from the iPhone to PC. It's a picture-in-picture mode for your favorite apps, so supports these apps. Come on, load. Oh man. Okay, sorry guys, it's not loading for me, but it's like Netflix, I think it's like YouTube, Hulu, and certain apps like that allows you to do a picture-in-picture for priority messages. And alright, and we have a XinaA and battery right on your dock. Displays the battery on your dock background. We have Iris, Pushfication, and Goddess of Rainbow, and Messenger of the Gods. All these features right here. Alright, and the last tweet is called Kai. All our batteries at a glance, shows anywhere Bluetooth devices that provide battery information, meaning to check your battery, your phone, your watch, AirPods case, all from the lock screen quickly and easily. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.